Hello children, there are a few letters in this tray. Let us start the activity. This is letter M. It makes the sound monkey. Let us see another letter. What is this letter? R. It makes the sound rabbit. Let me see one more. And this is H. Hen. This is letter K. It makes the sound k, kite. And today we are going to learn a new letter. This is Mama B and this is Baby B. It makes the sound V. Van. Vegetables. Violin. Children, what is the next letter after V? It is W. This is Mama W and this is Baby W. Children, it makes a sound W. Washing machine. Water. Watch. Kids, take a white paper and draw your favorite vegetable. Bye.